DownloadSource.net.
Hello YouTube, Jasha here from Download Source. This video is going to show you how to get the Flappy Bird augmented reality game for Snapchat. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open Snapchat and stay on the main camera screen. The next thing you need to do is get the Flappy Bird scan code, which you can grab from our article, which will be linked in the description. Once you've got that up, you just need to line it up on your camera and tap once on the screen. Don't click the camera. If you click the camera, you'll take a photo and it won't save the code. Once you've got the little Flappy Bird icon, you can tap it and you'll bring up the augmented reality game, which is a little bit more difficult than the standard version. Once you've got it on the screen, you can use your fingers to swipe in and out and adjust where the game is. It actually takes quite a bit to get used to. Hang on a second. Well, even more difficult than I thought. Okay, there we go, we've got it on screen. Now you basically just tap as usual and try and get somewhere with it. The highest I've managed to get was 10, but I gave up after that. Okay, that's one way to get it. If you tap the little eye icon, you'll be able to share our link with your friends. Click cancel to get back out. The other way you can scan the code is if you've saved it to your phone. You go from the camera screen, click your icon in the left hand corner, click the settings icon in the right hand corner, and go to snap codes at the bottom. Here at the bottom of the screen you'll see scan from camera roll. Tap this and you'll be able to grab the code from your saved image file. Just tap this once, it'll scan, and you've got it saved to your phone. That's pretty much it. And basically you're just gonna have to persist with the game if you actually enjoy it. I generally get frustrated and rage quit. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. See you later.
DownloadSource.net.